Hi guys, my name is Jan and welcome to this makeup tutorial. So I thought today that we'd have a little bit of fun with our makeup. Say for example you forgot your eyeshadow when you're going on holiday. What can you use to replace it? So I'm going to show you how you can use this PAVÈZ mineral makeup in other areas of the face that you wouldn't think. So for example, today I'm wearing a lip liner around my eyes. I'm wearing bronzer as eyeshadow. And I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide. So I'm going to remove the makeup around one eye and add the makeup again, so you can see how it is done. So let's begin.